Hi everyone, bonjour, bonsoir, welcome back for another video. So I'm bringing you guys this transformation right here from this to this, and we did all of this in one day. This includes the extensions, everything was done in one day. These are not pre-made. So this video went viral on Instagram, you guys might have seen it, and I honestly was planning to post a video about this service before it even went viral, but it went viral and my life got busy, so I didn't get a chance to post the video. But if you guys don't follow us on Instagram, just go follow DXLYNLOCS.Orlando to keep up with our updates, because I post way more on IG than anywhere else, just because it's fast and easier to do so while still managing a busy life. So this video got, right now it's at 11 million views, 200,000 likes, amazing. But we're gonna get into the specifics of this service. This is our same day lock extension service, exactly what it sounds like. We make the locks same day on the client's head. That way it's not pre-made, it's made right before their eyes. So this is what this service is. I pretty much start the same way I start Instant Locks. We parted her hair out. She wanted a size that wasn't too big, not too small, but she has fine hair, medium to low density, so we wanted to give her something that would give her maximum fullness for her hair texture. So that's what we're doing here, and I'm going to show here a little bit how we do it. I place the hair just like I would be hand making a lock extension. It's like combining making a lock extension and doing instant locks at the same time. And yes, there are classes coming, you guys. I'm trying to make sure I do it correctly, not fast. I know I keep saying they're coming, but I want to make sure they are done correctly, not just giving you something to just give it to you, but it's correct and you can actually learn from it for years to come, or someone else can learn from it, learn from you having learned from it, you know? So that's what's taking so long on that. And then in-person classes are another thing to tackle. So hopefully soon, hopefully by the end of this year, we can get that together. But so pretty much like I told you guys, I have several videos on this method, but I think you guys don't pay attention because my videos are a little long. So this one is short and I'm really cutting it to the chase for you guys. So this is pretty much what we're doing. We're making everything on her head. It was me and stylist Monica who worked on this client here. As you can see, Monica, what we would do, I would go in and do it and she would go in and tighten. And you see our client nodding off here, but that's okay. She was tired. So Monica goes in, she's like the crochet beast. She goes in and she just tightens everything I did to make sure everything is good. So pretty much I form the locks and then she tightens. The same way I've shown you guys I make lock extensions, I form them, then I tighten them. So that's kind of like my process when it comes to extensions. And even when I'm attaching them, when they're pre-made, I place them, then I tighten them. My clients know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's it for this video. That's literally all we're doing. We're making the locks on her head. Also, I try to reiterate this as much as I can. DXLYNLOCS or DXLYNLOCS is not just me anymore. We have a whole team. We have different departments. We have products. We've expanded so much. Check out our website to see all the things we're up to. But it's not just me. We are a team of stylists. If you want to know who currently the stylists are, go to our booking site. You will see our stylists listed under staff. If someone is claiming to be part of DXLYNLOCS and they are not on that website under staff, then they are not part of DXLYNLOCS. So we are not liable for whatever they do. Just because someone does locks or they pop up when you search me, they may pop up with me. That doesn't mean they're part of the shop. So be mindful of that. And those of you who genuinely support, many, many thanks to you. Thank you for rocking with me for this long. I truly, truly appreciate you guys. So when she comes back for her first maintenance, I'll be sure to update you guys on, washing her locks and everything like that. As you see here, we do have our website rebooted, a brand new website. It is dxlyn.com, dxlyn.com. And there you'll find everything that we have to offer through our brand. So just go there. We are no longer on Etsy right now because Etsy was very overwhelmed. So we are working on getting Etsy back on track. So now we can go onto the website to order products, anything that we have. We have brand new shampoos. You guys go check those out. Our shop oil is available for purchase. That's been a long time coming. Go check that out as well. That's all on the website. Classes will be on the website as well. Everything new that we have will be on the website. But everything that you guys have known about so far, classes, other business ventures, all those are on the website. As stated in the beginning of the video, I'm a little more busy these days, so I don't really post a lot of long forms anymore. I post a lot of shorts. But guys, let me know in the comments if you like the horizontal or the vertical, like the phone video, or do you like the horizontal better? Do you like the long form better? Do you like the shorts better? What do you like better? Let me know and I'll try to implement that in how I edit. And I do read the comments. I don't always have time to reply, and I know some people are like, "Well, you never reply to my comment." Guys, there's 200 and something videos on this channel, which is not a lot compared to other YouTubers, but it's 200 and something videos on this channel. They all constantly get comments every single day. So imagine how many comments that is, right? Let's say 2 people per day comment on a video, and there's 200 something of them. That's a lot of comments. So I'm not able to reply to every single one, but I do read them and I try to reply to those who I can, or if I see it right away, or the YouTube algorithm does its thing and I see this comment, I'll reply to it. But don't take it personal if I don't reply to you, please. Um, like I said, we have a phone number, we have a business website and booking site. If you are serious about lock advice or anything like that, please reach out to us. We got you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.